data type. You write variable type C. You write parameters variable type C. And whatever value you're giving to C, how do you say it? You say it using C, write C. Okay, we can see what value has been entered. So, to the concept of statement, it starts. Yeah.
Okay, now when you say parameters variable type C, so variable is it a keyword or is it
Variable is some name we have given.
okay,
It's a
it's
name
not
for
a
a
keyword.
variable. Okay, it's not a keyword. So this is a
Okay,
keyword. See, this whole thing is a statement
okay,
because it's starting with a keyword. This is a statement because it's starting with a keyword. This is a statement.
okay.
And what is
So I
expression?
can,
Yeah.
okay, so I can say data with full type C. Like,
Yeah, you can tell anything.
okay,
V1 type C,
okay,
N1 type C, anything. Any
okay,
name which
okay,
we
because,
need.
okay, okay,
Okay. So
yeah,
now, what is expression? Expression need not start with a keyword. This is a expression.
okay,
Okay, that is the difference. A statement and an expression. So now let's start with the first program. What is the T code for writing a program? SC38. This is known as your ABAP editor. Okay.
okay,
This is also
okay,
used to create reports. We write our ABAP programs in this. You have so many T codes in SAP. We'll go one by one. So this is where you enter your T code SC38. Okay. Okay. The naming convention is very important. In a ABAP, you can only start your program name with Z or Y
okay,
because all other alphabets are reserved by SAP for standard programs. Okay,
okay,
custom namespace is only Z or Y. Okay, Z is mostly for programs we write and Y is mostly for testing programs. Okay, in real time,
okay,
if you want to write any test programs, you use Y. All other custom programs are start with Z. You can't use any other alphabets because they are all reserved. You can't change them. See, it's asking for
okay,
an access key. It's reserved by SAP. You can't
okay,
create also. Okay, so let's start with Z. Any name. Click on create. Okay, create. Give the title. The type is executable program. There are many different types. I'll tell you as in when we reach. Now it is an executable program because we need a output. It is executing and we can see a output. Okay,
okay,
it will give you all the information, nothing else to be written. Just save it. It's a local, save it. So this is your editor. Okay, this is
okay,
the name of the program which I have given. Now,
okay,
what is the syntax for data? So this is not a statement. How do you write comment? You either put an asterisk in front for the whole line and the other comment is, now suppose you can write it like this. Okay, asterisk is for the whole statement. If you want something, you want to comment something from the middle, you have to. Okay, these are the two forms of commenting in ABAP. So what is the data? Data object is the variable name which I have given. Type data type. Okay, you can directly give the value here or you can declare it, assign it later on. Okay, of data. Now let's see data. Okay, let's not do that now. V1 type C. See, this, when I write T, the type is coming now, use the tab. Okay, it will print the whole thing. Type C. Now I'll tell V1 is equal to, let's say, A. What is the syntax for write? The whole statement, if you want to comment, it is control less than, okay? And control greater than is uncomment.
Okay.
Control less than is comment. Syntax write. This is for new line, okay? Slash is for new line. Position, where you want to put it, and the data object. So how do you write this? Let's comment this. How do you write? Write V1. Okay, we have created a data V1 of type character. We have given a character and we want to write it. Understood? Okay, now let's first check. This is check for any syntax error. It is syntactically correct. Okay, now if you are not, see, this dot is called as a period in SAP ABAP. All statements should end with a period. Now let's see how errors will come. The last statement is not complete, period missing. Okay, I just wanted to show you an error. So write it. Check it. You always have to activate the program. See, now this is inactive. You have to activate. This is the activate button. Click on enter. See, there are many programs. This is a training system. So it's very difficult to find where your program is. So just enter it. Okay. Now let's exit it. F8. Okay. This was a title which I have given in the first page. A. Okay. Now, before that, let me explain you what is the length of data types. See, default length is 1. Okay. For integer it is 4. For date it is 8. Or 10 if you add any delimiter like any slash 2/10/2013. For time it is again, it will be in the format of HHMM SS. Okay, so it is again 8, the length. So that's the reason C I didn't give more than 1, because I have given default it will take only 1. So how do I give length to a data type? I can give the length here. Okay, I can increase the length of that data type. I can give 10 characters now instead of 1. Now I can give it like this. Check, activate, execute. Okay. So now what is the difference between this data and the parameters? Here now what is the problem? I can't change my value of date V1. Always whenever I come and execute, it is A, B, C, C. What if I want to change my values? That's the reason there is something called as parameters where users can input data. It's the same thing, parameters, V1 type C. Ignore this. Check, activate. So since I told default is 1, see it has given only 1 character space. Okay? Now how do I increase it? Same thing. Activate it. Always activate. If you change it, see it has increased. Okay, this is how you increase the length. So what is the difference between data and parameter? Here data, the value of the variable is static. This is dynamic. User can enter and change the values. Okay, that is the difference between.
Okay.
Both are used to declare variables, but one is user input, other one is hard coded.
Okay.
Clear? Now,
Yeah.
next is there is an operator called semicolon, which is called your chain operator. See, now what if I want to declare 2-3 variables? Data v1, okay, v1 type C, data v2 type C. Instead of writing data again, what I do, I put a chain operator here, remove this data and put a comma here. Understood what a chain operator is doing? You can add more and more. You don't have to
Yeah.
replace the data. Okay. Same thing for parameters. You can add the same thing. Right. Clear with the 3 statements, data, parameters, and right. If you want help, don't worry about the syntax. Just do F1. Okay. You don't have to by heart the syntaxes. You just do F1. You will get a complete documentation provided by SAP with examples. Okay. See. Parameters. Okay. With examples. Okay. So let's start doing simple programs. So now you're clear with this 3. Now tell me, I want to add 2 numbers and show the results. Okay. Now just go through the syntax and tell me how to do it. V1 type I, V2 type I, okay.
Okay. But what about the operator? There has to be something for the operator, right?
Yeah, you have to use an operator. You have to add V1 and V2.
Basically, you say write
Okay.
V1 plus V2.
Do you think this will work? You can't do any calculations in write. Write is only used to give the output. Okay?
Display, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then we declare another variable V3 and say V3 equal to V1 plus V2 and write V3.
So you want to declare it with parameters or data?
Data.
Yeah. So because we don't have to enter that, right?
Yeah.
So based on the usage, we declare the values. Some type I. Okay. Now what?
Sum equal to V1 plus V2.
V1 plus V2. So now this is a expression. Okay, we are not starting with any keyword. So this is a expression which I was talking about. Okay, there is no keyword to start. So this is an expression. So now how do you write it? Write sum. And if you want to write anything what we want, you just put a colon, put quotes, put also a slash, put quotes, sum is. Okay. Understood why we are writing? This will be displayed as it is. You want to display something as it is, put it in quotes. Separate it
Okay.
with comma and put the variable name. So now we are clear, no? What type of data you can put it in parameters, what can be declared in data. Same, check it, activate, execute. Let's put 10, 20, execute. Sum is 30. So you
Okay.
have to just put it in quotes to write anything like that.
Is there any way where it executes automatically once you put the second value? Like an interactive thing?
No, no. This
No?
one? This one?
Yeah, see, suppose I put, no, yeah, what is, that is execute, right?
Yeah.
If I put, let's say V1 8 and V2 5 and press enter, will it work?
No, 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 no.
No? Okay.
This has to be clicked. Okay.
Okay.
You will understand this concept a little more. These are all push buttons and all available in SAP. See, now in SAP, without executing, you will not get the result. And internal features, you will not understand now. I will explain you all that. Okay. For
Okay.
now, just understand
Okay.
that only enter, you will not work. Clear with the statement and expression? Let's learn about control statements. Okay, control statements. What were the different control statements which we have learned yesterday, which I have told yesterday? One is if and if. Okay, other one is case and case. So the syntax of if is if condition, execute a statement. You have else if in ABAP, else if condition, execute a statement, and else is the last one, so you don't have to write anything, execute a statement and close it. Okay, this is the syntax of if. So let's do a program for finding the greatest of two numbers. Okay, got the program? Finding, I give two numbers, which is the greatest. So how can I start? I can start either give data or parameters. Okay, let's start with parameters. We even type V2 I. If is a statement or the keyword where we start using relational operators, less than, equal to, and all. Okay, mostly in is the one where we'll be using that. Now let's write if V1 greater than V2. This space is very important in ABAP. Otherwise, okay, space, it requires space, right? V1 is great. Okay. Else, there is no need of else if, right? Because if it is greater, next one is, it will be less. Now what we can write? V2 is greatest. Clear? There is no need of else. It has only two options. Activate, execute. Give this as 20 and give this as 40. V2 is the greatest. Other way around. Now tell me, can you change it to greatest of three numbers? Can you just try? You have to use logical and relational operators here. Logical
Okay.
is and or not, relational is less than, greater than. You need to use both of these now. These three.
If V1 greater than V2 and V1 greater than V3.
Yeah, V3, V1 is greater. Now we have V1 is greatest, right? Now else if V2 is greater than V1 and V2 is greater than V3, you write V2 is greater. Else you don't write any condition. That is the last provided option, right? V3 is the greatest. Clear when we use else if? Okay, when you have more than two options. C and all also is the same. Else if is not. Else if is there in COBOL. Okay.
We don't put that full stop always. What is it called? Full stop, right? Or delimiter? What do they call it?
This is called a period.
Period comes only after that end if, generally in COBOL.
Okay. So when you execute 10, 20, 30. I'll show you debugging techniques. V3 is the greatest, not in this. Let's not start that in today's class. We'll be confused. So understood the concept of if? See, that is what I told you. ABAP as a programming language is nothing much to learn. Okay? It's the same thing. And since you're from a programming background, it will be very easy. Now let's do a case. Case is also again a decision statement. Okay? What is the syntax for case?
Case and end case, right?
Yeah, case and end case. You have take a variable. Case will give different values for the same variable. When it is value 1, I'll tell write a statement. When it is value 2, write a statement. After executing all the different values available, when others, okay, it's same like else, a statement, and the case, okay. Case and case is not used. It's a very rare of entity, but if is used mostly real time. Okay, case is very.
Why is that?
No, there's no use of case and case in whatever all the rise of objects.
Okay.
The point is we need it. You only use it when required. If is also used to check some value. That's it. I'll tell you when you're doing system variables. But case and case is it's of not any use much. But still we know we have to do it. So now.
But I feel, don't you feel case is more simpler than if and if?
Yeah. It's there, but we need more conditions in if.
Okay.
Now to check conditions in case, now what? See, there is a variable called size sub rc. Okay. It will give you the status of previously executed statement. If it is 0, no, it is a success. If it is 4, it is failure. You can't write case size sub rc and write when 0 fail, when 0. If you want to write if size sub rc is 0, do something. There you can only use if. Cases of no use. That is this is the one statement where you'll be using if in all the programs.
Let's declare two parameters, v1 and v2.
Okay.
And maybe one for an operator also. But operator, yeah, one for an operator.
Yeah.
Which is like, let's call it operator.
You can take type I or type C also. Anything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then
And I want to display the result. Okay.
okay, so I'll say data type
Data.
type is
REST.
integer.
Okay. Now
Okay.
this is
Now
the
what?
syntax.
So basically, you say res equal to
Okay.
v1.
Uh,
Then what do you say? Operator or yeah, operator and v2.
no. Is
No.
this an expression? Is operator? Does it do something? It will give. You have to enter a operator in that operator value variable. Yes or no?
Okay.
You
Yes.
either
Yes.
enter plus, minus, multiplication, or division. So what is that? You have
Okay.
to.
Then yeah.
Okay.
Let's evaluate the operator, right?
Yeah. So that is the reason we have to use case and case.
So case or yeah, got it. Case
Case.
case operator
Yeah.
when plus
Yes. Now we are on track.
result equal to v1 plus v2 when minus.
Write the result.
Why do you have to write the result immediately?
Even because when you come out, result will become 0. Okay.
No. What I'm saying is,
Huh?
why can't you write the result after the end case?
Okay, we'll do that also. No issues.
I mean, it will be just one statement, right?
Yeah, you can do that. Let's see. When
Minus result is v1 minus or we can put a if condition here, right? If v1 greater than v2,
that all
can we
you
do
can
that?
do. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
But now let's understand that we are giving a greater first digit number also. Okay.
Okay. And star result is v1 star.
V1 and star. Okay. So when others, let's say when others, just say right invalid. Just let's see.
Okay.
Okay. And
v case and
now
then you write
this. Okay. This is the code.
Okay.
Okay. Let's check. It's syntactically correct. Okay. It's activated. Execute. Let's do it. Then the operator is plus. Okay. Let's tell operator is invalid. Okay.
What happened? Why?
Because I gave when others, no? I only gave till multiplication.
Oh, there's no division. Okay.
Okay. Yesterday I told you, I'll tell you something. What is the difference between this and this? In ABAP, this is a new addition. I don't know whether you have that modulus operator in other languages. What is
I
the
don't
difference
think
between
so.
this division and mod?
I mean, mod will always give you a positive value, right?
What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this?
Now, okay, 10 mod 2.
Any
I
idea?
don't know.
Okay, 10 mod
No
2 is
clue.
5. Sorry, 10 by 2 is 5. This is 0. Why? Here,
Right?
modulus will give always a remainder.
Okay.
Okay, understood. That is the difference.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
this will give you the quotient. This will give you the remainder. This is an operator. Introduced in ABAP. I have never come across that in real time, but still knowing that is better. Okay, modulus will give you the remainder, slash division will give you the quotient. Clear? Similar way, you can also try for case and case. Just try if you're giving a variable, find out whether it's a vowel or a consonant. Just tell me, I'll not write it, just give me an overview.
Vowel is like when A, E, I, O, U.
O, U, yeah.
Now
You
tell me
just-
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have multiple cases in one when, let's say when A, E, I, O, U, right? It's a vowel. Can I do that, or do I have
That
to
is
say
not
when
available
A,
in
and?
ABAP. Okay. You can't use logical operators in case. See, that is another point we use mostly if and if.
Okay.
Okay. Each value is separately analyzed. That is one of the drawbacks now. Okay. You have to just take one parameter and one operator. Same thing, same fashion.
Okay.
Clear with if and case? These are your decision statements.
Okay.
Okay, in control. What is the next one in control statements? One is decision, the other one was loop. Okay, same set of codes repeating more than once. In this we have do and while and while. These two are also not used, very rare. Okay, do syntax is do and times something. Here also while needs a condition. Do is just telling how many times to do, while needs a condition. That's the only difference between these two. If the condition is true only, it will go inside. For do it is, even if there is no condition also, it will execute at least once. While if the condition is true only, it will go in. So now let's do that also. Data. Let's take in type I. Let's do a multiplication. Do 10 times. See, always the writing procedure is first end it, okay? Otherwise, always tend to forget the end. That is how we write. Okay, always if you're writing if, do write if and if, because most of the times in syntax it will always tell you that error. End is missing, end is missing. Okay, so now n is equal to n into n. Write n is equal to some logic. Let's write check activate. You have to give an initial value, right? Okay, I'm giving, so this is another way of declaring. Either you can write it n is equal to 1, or here you can give a value and write 1. What happened? Did you get? I was thinking this will happen. Okay, it went for an overflow. because it went for an infinite loop. Because there is no end condition, no? So how do you change it? See, it will just go on, go on, go on. One is equal to 1. Okay, let's debug. Why is saying it's overflowing? See, this is how you debug. Just don't worry, I'll tell you how to debug. N1.
That's because I think you didn't initialize n, right? Or you initialized it, okay.
Yeah, value 1.
Initialize it.
Because it has come across an advancement. Overflow.
Do it 3 times and see. 10 times might be a bigger, it's a
This is
very
a new
big
concept when
number.
I am seeing. Okay, resulted in a value greater than. Okay, this is a range. It can't go beyond that.
Yeah. Just do it 3 times. It will work.
3 times, yeah. So that was a range available. Now it should work. Yeah. See, now it has come in one line, no? How to get it one below the other? Right. Slash is the new line. Okay?
Okay.
Slash is new line. Always use slash. We'll get it one below the other.
Okay.
And that is a new concept, that range. And give some, let's try this. Let's see. Yeah. Let's give 10 times. Oh. Actually, this
I think you need to declare a different kind of variable. But anyway, I got the concept.
no? Let me also check. Even no, because these are the only two variables that we can declare, I or n. C is character. So it has a maximum range. Okay. Even this is something new for me.
Are you sure there has to be something?
Yeah, even I don't know. There should be something. Let me check. I'll get back to you. Actually, this is a good error actually. Okay. So this is the syntax of do. So what was the next one? While.
Yeah.
Same thing, let's write something like that. Okay, let's print it till it's 1. Okay. While n1 greater than 1. Write n is equal to minus 1. So now this will not go for any yes. First it will be let's say first it will be 10, then yeah, it will print backwards. Check 10 minus. So clear with this concepts?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Statement, we have learned statements that are data parameters and write, the if and end if, case and case, while and while, and do and do. Clear till here? This is the basic
Yeah.
elements. There's nothing much else to teach in this. Simple concepts, syntaxes. Okay, just try out few programs. There is, I can't tell some big programs also.